Hello YouTube, you join me on the A607 heading towards Grantham, where we'll be meeting up with the rest of the Rambunctious squadron. We are off to Scotland. We're doing the North Coast 500.
This is proof that we have finally lost it. Lobster claw, Bigglesworth. So Redford Baron's now on his second pair of waterproofs because he's just broke the zip on one. It was because his gigantic cock had to flop out and it broke the zip. And there is Phil 480, the famous Phil 480 from YouTube on his Fog Tiger. And he has lobster claws too. I think it's a genetic defect from the south coast. Anyway, we're all in good spirits. We're at Scotch Corner. We're not even halfway. Anyway, that'll do. Filtering, filtering, filtering along. Filtering, filtering, this is my filtering song. Rambunctious enough for you. There we go. Look at you looking resplendent. Ah, the claw, the claw. Hang on. Oh, look at that. There's Cat. Look at him. Look at him. Whoa, look at that. Say hello, Cat. Hello. Hello. Cumbria. Oh, look at the outcrop. Oh, yes. Now you're talking. Scotland!
Scotland! Hooray! There we go.
Inverness! 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 Only 2.5 hours to go. We'll be there about 7:30. Delirium has set in. It's got to the point where I wonder if I stick my foot out, can I kick each one of those bollards over? Hee hee! Hee hee! Oh, hang on, something's happened. My bike's slowing down. It's cut out. Why is it cut out? Ah! Kill switch! Kill switch! I kill switched myself. At least I realised before I was at the side of the road. I have never seen a caravan this wide. This is the world's widest caravan. Ah, that's a big one. Oh. Oh, ooh, oh, fuck, oh my goodness, we're all so old we sound like Tristan. Oh.
Ah, recording, there we are.
Here, just as we approach Inverness, there's a phenomenon of the sky called blue. It had been a long time since the squadron had seen blue sky. Phil had basically eaten his hand waiting to see blue sky. It had turned into a claw.
So is this the start of Loch Ness, just here?
That is incredible.
Oh, look at that.
So this is the road from Inverness to Drumnadrochit, and it is, there's Loch Ness. There's Loch Ness right there. There's even a little village called Loch End, just so you know it's the end of Loch Ness. Welcome to Loch Ness and the Great Glen. So I might slow down so I can look at the view, but right now I'm enjoying the road. Oh, hey, right, there we go, that'll do.
Charlie's buggered off. Can't see him. He's out of visual range.
Loch Ness is pretty spectacular, isn't it? When you can actually take your eyes off the road.
That is stunning.
Oh wow.
We're pulling in.
I see what people mean now. The scale of it is massive.
Oh, how good was that road?
That's awesome. Yeah, that last bit of road, awesome.
I just had a lot of fun.
Well, you buggered off and there's, Charlie's buggered off, I can't see him. He's out of visual range.
My com's gone.
I
but yeah,
saw
basically
you.
I just saw those corners just went pim.
Yeah, I saw you do the thing and bye-bye.
Yeah,
I was like,
yeah.
he's off.
Ready? Let's go. Fuck, wow.
Isn't it? You'd think that going on dual carriageways would be more relaxing, but the moment I get on country roads, everything just loosens up and you just
Yeah.
feel so much more comfortable. I could happily just go up and down this road all day.
This road is brilliant.
It is, isn't it? I love it.
Okay, so we've made it up to Loch Ness. There it is. Spectacular. Well, we've come through all sorts of rain, get to Scotland, and the weather gets better. And now we're up here. It's glorious. And this road is awesome. This runs right by the side of the loch, and it is, yeah, it's an incredible road. It's a lot of fun.
Whoa. That's so cool. Bally Ho.
Look at that! Wow! I know we came here to do the NC500, but that is something else.
And here we are at Drumnad Rocket.
Do you ever marvel at just how fast Charlie can make that thing go? It is, for all intents and purposes, a cruiser, and yet he can make it hustle it along like it's a sports bike.